Hi guys, it's Civil Guru 04 at YouTube. Actually, it's a requested video for my Facebook member Gulam Server. He is from the India. The question is how to earn online using AutoCAD. Many other people ask me same question for many time. So I have decided to make a video for all of them. I will explain how to earn money using AutoCAD and especially AutoCAD 7 3D. I will share with you some sites for online earning, and at the end I will share you a strategy to earn money and grow your portfolio. Actually, at the start, if you are new in freelancing, you want to build your portfolio, because if any client come to search for an expert, he will look at your portfolio first. If you have strong portfolio, good feedback from other clients, nice working experience, then he will assign you for his project. Otherwise he will go with someone other who have better work experience history than you. That's why the first thing you need to build your portfolio. I have a best strategy for that. Using this strategy you will get earnings and can grow your portfolio automatically. Take your notebook and write down some key points of this strategy. Nowadays everyone is using Facebook and WhatsApp, but we all are using them just for entertainment. What will good enough? If we use them for business, using Facebook, you need to join many groups which have 50k members or more than. These all groups should be about freelancing, AutoCAD, AutoCAD 7 3D, online earnings, Fiverr projects. You can write in search bar and join as much as you can. Same thing you will do on WhatsApp. You can search WhatsApp group and join them with the help of any other member, or you can search them on Google. Here I have the list of some WhatsApp group. You can search them on Google. You will get many groups. These are some of famous groups on Facebook for the freelancer. You must need to join them. Pakistan freelancer Pakistan, like that. You can search here and you will get many groups, but join them who have 50k plus member. The second step for this strategy, how you will get your work from them. When you join group, you will get post on home page about project. Many people take work from websites and offer the expert to get complete them, so you can be also expert for them. When you see post about your skill which you can do 100%, you post a commit, or I will suggest you direct go with him in inbox and deal with him that you can do this work and make deal with him properly. When you work with these steps of groups on Facebook, you will get experience, because these all works same from freelancing sites. You need to do this practice for a month and prepare your account on Fiverr. It's basic but most famous freelancing site. We will talk about Fiverr later in next video. Trust me, you will get enough earning from Facebook and WhatsApp group. In the same time you will grow your skills. You will also learn much about advanced skill, and especially when you make new friends, then you can refer them into Fiverr to grow your portfolio also there. So it will go through like a chain. Here are some website which I will show you. And the first one is Fiverr. The Fiverr is the most famous website of freelancing. You can search here about AutoCAD. You will see there are many people. It's around 7,000. They are selling their skills. They can convert PDF, road works, floor plans, architecture world, 2D, 3D. You can do many types of skill. The second one is guru.com. You can also search there about AutoCAD. Here we will see projects. You see 24 results I get about AutoCAD. You can bid on them and go with them. AutoCAD developer, make PDF drawings, CAD consultants, two-story mix, use building. You can do any type of any advanced skill in AutoCAD like floor plans. The third one and very old website, upwork.com. We can also search here about AutoCAD. So we have many projects also here. You can see these all are doing AutoCAD work. So but as a beginner you don't want to go on direct on this side. First go with my strategy like Facebook and WhatsApp group. Then you can grow your portfolio with them also. Hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please write me in comments and subscribe my channel. It's my YouTube channel. Here I have already started Civil 3D complete course for essentials. I have already uploaded 2-3 video. Here you can watch them and write me on my Facebook page. You can like my Facebook page, Civil 3D Professional Designer. Here I have already many projects which I have done, so you can look them that how you can do work on AutoCAD with freelancing websites. Here you can find many notes about surveying, Civil 3D, AutoCAD and much more. Hope it will useful for you. Thank you. Good.